Hi, first and second graders. This is Mr. Askelson. It is Friday, May 29th, 2020, and today is Friday of week 9 distance learning. And this is the last day of distance learning. Next week, we are going to have some activities on our matrix that would be activities kind of like what we would do during this time of the year with some of the things like spring fling and outdoor activities that we would have some fun. So those will be part of our distance learning for next week. But what I would like to do is just send you some games that you can play over the summer, play with a brother or sister, family members or neighbors, whoever, just to keep your skills sharp. And they're fun games, and some days maybe there's a rainy day over the summer, or you're just feeling kind of bored and don't have much to do. Pull out one of these games. They're easy to make, they're easy to use, they don't require a lot of pieces, and a lot of times you can do a lot of it online. So just something to keep you thinking about math and keeping your skills sharp. So the first game I'd like to play today is odd and even tag. And the directions say a game for 2 players needed, 2 different colored markers and a die or a dice. One player is the odd player, the other player is the even. Players put a marker on the odd or the even space. Players take turns to throw the dice. If the number is an odd number, the odd player moves forward that number of spaces. If the number is an even number, the even number moves forward that number of spaces. The winner is the first person to catch up or overtake their opponent. So we're going to make this blue shape the odd player, and kind of this orange shape, we'll make that the even player. And so you could use a piece of paper or whatever you had as a marker. All right, got an online dice over here. Remember, if the number ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it's an even number. And if an even number is rolled, then this one will move in the direction of the arrows. If it's an odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then the odd player will move in this direction. And the first person to catch up with or go past the other player, they're the winner. So let me roll the dice here. Okay, I've got a 3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers, so I'm going to take the odd one and move that one. 1, 2, 3. Roll the dice again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers, so I'm going to take this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll the dice again. 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'm going to take the odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll the dice again. 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's an even number. So I'm going to take my even one, move that 2 spaces. Roll again. 6. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I better start rolling some odd numbers or we're going to get close. 1. 1 is an odd number, so I'm going to move that one up 1 space. Now, if I roll a 4, a 5, or a 6, the game's going to come to an end. Oh, well, not really. I'm going to take the even one and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went past the odd one, and so that makes me the winner of the game. You can do this game a couple different ways. Every time you roll the dice, somebody can move, or you can make it that only the person that's rolling can move. So one person's odd, one person's even. If the one person that's odd rolls an odd number, they can move. If they roll an even number, they can't move. And then it goes to the next player. So there's a couple different versions of the game that you can play. But kind of a fun game, and sometimes it goes really fast. Sometimes it takes longer than you might think to play the game. but odd even tag is a good one to practice your odd and even numbers. So have fun with this game over the summer, first and second graders. Have a great day.